Hi friends, a lot of you have pinged me on LinkedIn and other forums asking me a couple of questions. So what I've done is I've put a video on a couple of the questions that I've been receiving. The first biggest question that I got from a lot of you is the course free, or what is the cost for the course? The answer is we are not charging for the course currently. It's completely free course. So all we want is your commitment for the next 28 days till you finish the competition and grab a medal. We'll be very happy for you. So other common questions that I got apart from the course fee are, what framework do we use? We are going to use PyTorch, saying that a lot of concepts that you learn in these videos are going to be applicable irrespective of what framework you use. The second biggest thing is, do we need a GPU? The answer is kindly yes and no. Why no? You can use Kaggle kernels and Collab to start with, and it's a bit painful to use them because of the limitations that they put in. Like Kaggle has got a limitation of 30 hours. Collab has got a limitation of if you don't stay in front of your computer, or if you don't keep it running, then it can get disconnected. So these are some of the challenges. So if you have a GPU, it will be always helpful. We can always rent a GPU from one of the cloud providers. It is expensive, but if you're starting up, then cloud providers like GCP gives you free credits of some $300, which should be enough, more than enough, if rightly used for this competition. The third biggest question is, how do I join the course? This is not a typical course. We are doing it for the first time, and we are doing it very differently. So anyone can go and watch the videos, and that's how you participate in the course, right? And there is a Kaggle challenge that is going on. I'll show you in another video about more about the challenge. What are the timelines? How do you start with the kernel first, and how do you make a first submission? We'll do that. And how can you reach us if you have any doubts? The one way you can reach us is you can comment down. You can comment in the YouTube. We will be adding a dedicated forums where you can all reach out to us, and we can also reach out to you for any future updates, or if you want any particular topic on which you would like us to make a video on, we can do all these things. So these are some of the common questions that we have accumulated over the last few days. What are the objectives of the training? What are we going to achieve both mutually, right? What are you going to achieve and what are we going to achieve? We want to help you to grab a medal. So Kaggle competition offers you three kinds of medals. One is the gold, silver and bronze. Gold is the highest and is the most toughest. A lot of experienced people really work hard to grab one. To be honest, even I am trying to grab one. Okay, it needs a lot of effort, but don't get disappointed. There are a lot of people who have won gold medals just within the first competition, but it's a rare event. The second thing is, what do you learn by end of this competition, or by end of this 4-week course, right? You can have a live GitHub project on your GitHub, right? So you don't get a certificate like a typical course, but you have a project in GitHub, which you can probably tell your company, or when you go for a job interview, you can show that this is the project that I worked on, and there will be a lot of techniques which are considered to be state of art, and there is a very high chance you can get questions out of that. What happens after the competition gets over? Even though the competition gets over, you can still make submissions to the competition, though it will not be live. Whatever rank you get after the competition ends really doesn't matter, but all of these videos still stay relevant. So for example, you participate in the course for 15 days and for some reason you're not able to participate, right? You can always come back once you have free time, and you can continue participating in the course. And the fourth most important thing is, it's not just that we are teaching you, we are also a participant. What it means, we are also learning on the fly. A lot of people around the globe, around 2000 people are participating in this competition, and most of them are learning a lot of new techniques in order to get the gold medal that which we spoke about. So we spoke about only one medal, gold medal. There is another one which is called silver medal, which there is a good number of silver medals and good number of bronze medals. If you can make a submission, 5 submissions a day, right? And slowly keep on iterating your model for the next 20-25 days. There is a very high chance you would be grabbing bronze or a silver medal. So all we are looking from your end is some commitment, not some commitment, very serious commitment. If you like this video, if you like the course, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates and press the like button. Thank you guys. Bye bye.